Happy Sunday, budget friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is SilynthiaC. I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop at I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link her shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today we're going to work on our high priority envelopes as well as our savings challenges. And I am adding a new savings challenge to the mix. Listen, I don't know what's happening, why I became so brave. I know that I have a goal by the end of this year to take some time off from work, you know, to be with my kiddos. Now, I am currently working on a bunch of stuff for Christmas because I do want to stack my PTO, but it's not happening very quickly, but also I'm not putting forth something that can motivate me or to get me on track to save for that in particular. So I will talk to you about that more in just a minute, but we have a bunch of binders right here right now because we have a lot going on. So I'm just going to stack those there. Let's count up how much money we have. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have $105 that I'm working with today, and that's a little bit more than I've been seeing going towards these high priority envelopes and savings challenges. But like I said, I'm adding another savings challenge, so I wanted to just add in a few more dollars. I actually thought about sacrificing my mommy envelope, but I think I might sacrifice half of it. Let's do this. Mommy was supposed to get $10, but I think what we'll do is just do 5, because like I said, I want to get some savings started today. Whew, I don't know why I always do this to myself. $20 going to gas. What I will say is that when you're saving like this in cash, it's your money. Yes, you may have a goal. Yes, you have intentions and things like that. If something comes up, it's not the end of the world to make adjustments or to scrap what your original plan was and move on to what needs to be taken care of. So that's the grace I'm giving myself at this point. All right, so we have $10 going into household. All right, and we have $10 going in for my kitty, which he's running around here being kind of obnoxious right now. So hopefully he doesn't cause any trouble. And let's do $5 for laundry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pretty soon the kiddos will be going back to school and we'll be seeing an increase in the laundry. But as it stands, man, it's been really nice to be able to take blankets and towels every single week, especially because it's so warm in our apartment. You know, the kids are all sweaty and whatever, so it's nice to be able to take care of what we need to take care of. Let's set these off to the side here. My wallet is on the other side of the room, and I'm not going to get up and get it. Let's see, our priorities are these binders here. Now, all of this is savings challenges, and all of them have, not all of them don't have goals. I'm working on setting a goal for this one, but let's get into our letter books because I have some ebooks which I'm very excited about. They've been so hard to find. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ebooks is what I have today. And I'm still working on K-books and I'm still working on ebooks. And once I reach the goal of $50 for the ebooks, I'm going to send these to Texas for Ethan. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. I love it. Seeing this progress. So close. Over halfway there. So that's great. All right. Set this one off to the side. And let's Knockout was the next one I wanted to work on because I want to try to get this one completed this month. See what we can get done today. Last time we did 2 rounds. I think we might do 2 rounds this time. So let me go ahead and stuff those. Okay, so we went ahead and stuffed 2 rounds. That means that we completed round 9 and 10. Oh, so close. I would try to finish it today, but I think maybe next week, right? Because I had, like I said, other challenges going. Okay, making progress. Now, let me show you really quickly. This savings challenge does come with instructions on how to play. If you follow the instructions, you'll save $364. And this is the checklist to tell you how much you should save for each round. For me, I decided I'm just going to save $1 each round. And that's what I decided to do. At the end of this savings challenge, I'll save $78. And I have completed it once before. Now let's see, what do we want to focus on next? Oh, I have an IOU here because I decided it would be easier to take the stress of scratching and then trying to come up with the money on the spot. So we owe $7 here. Perfect. So far, this savings challenge has saved me $10, $15, $16, $17, $18. And these Bohemian scratch-off savings challenges are in SilynthiaC Budget Creations. That's where you can find them. Where is my little eraser? One second, guys. Okay, I found it. So we went ahead and paid our $7, right? So we're not going to worry about that. But what we do need to do is see how much we have to stuff. Oh, okay. This says $1. I'm going to go ahead and stuff this $1 because I have it here now. And then the next one is $9. Whew. Okay, so that's where I need to make sure next week when we come together. And I didn't plug my vacuum cleaner in, so bear with me, guys. Let's do $9. So next week, I know I need to put $9 into the savings challenge. This one will be completed. We'll move on to the next one. So we're adding another $1, and I don't remember how much was in here. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, $19. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and put this IOU back. Well, it says I owe myself. And I did pull out the last Bohemian scratch off that I didn't have previously, and I just put it into my binder so that way we know where it is. I may actually set it up and complete it. We'll see how things go. Alrighty, progress. And this beauty is a freebie, link down below, for the SilynthiaC Budget Creations collab that's going on this month. This is in honor of Christmas in July. Let's pull out our player's card, and I think what we'll do today is, what do we want to do? I think we'll just use the calling card. I'm not going to play the bonus today. We have only a couple more Sundays left in this month, and I wanted to see what I can get done, so I think I'm going to hold off on the bonus cards. Let's see here. Grab my marker. And we have B3. B3 is $5. Let's see, can we do another one? O2 is $4. Let's see here. Do we have $1? We do. Let's add 5 here. And how do we want to do this? Because I still have a whole nother savings challenge. Let's do one more. We're gonna flip one more. Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. I2, $3. Okay. So do we have $2 here? 1, 2, and we'll add a 5. Okay, perfect. All right, so we're adding $15 today. Now that went quickly, but we could have really went for it had we, you know, been just focusing only on this savings challenge. But let me do this so I know these are. We need to add the money, Silenthia. In total, we have $20, $25, $30, $35, $36, $37, $38. There it is. Yay. All right, so for the month of July, this is a freebie. Grab it down below, you guys. And with that freebie, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link all of those ladies so you can check them out. All right, this savings challenge I got from Baddie Bankroll. She emailed me and said, hey, are you interested in doing a savings challenge? And I'm like, of course I am. Now, mind you, I've done a ton of her freebies because she has beautiful freebies. And this is actually for sale. But go to her shop, check it out, see if you want to grab some freebies, or if you want to purchase something, feel free to do so. I haven't seen her posting anything lately. I know that she still has her channel, so I will link her channel down below, and then you can check out her Ko-Fi shop there. Now, I was trying to wait to laminate this savings challenge. I'm going to have to do that at a later time because my situation right now is not allowing for it. But if I keep putting it off, I'll never get the savings challenge started. And I really would like to save this cash for my PTO at the end of the year for Christmas. Now, if I follow this properly, I should say $450. That's a nice chunk of money to go into my PTO. Now, how do I want to do this? Since we're in July, I think we'll work on July 1st. Okay, so then that will help us decide what we're doing. And then I will go to January. That's how I'm thinking this should go. And I need another marker. We'll just grab this one here. All right, let's see how much cash we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have $24. And let's do, how about we do 14? 4, 8, 14. Okay, that makes sense to me. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we have $10 left. Look at that, progress already. So for the month of July, you should save $40. And I am not going to do this on a time frame basis in terms of completing it, you know, next year. What I'm going to do is work on July in July, work on August in August because that's coming next. But when I finish July, I'll keep moving back to the prior months. Now, mind you, it does say the months on there. You don't have to save in the month of whatever, you know, there's no rule or hard rule that says it. It does help if you have a yearly goal to save $450. So we are going back to January. And you won't believe this if I told you January is a total of $10. What do we have, ladies and gents? $10. This savings challenge is completed. Okay, so January is completed. Now, this is motivating because what that means for me is I can still work on July next week, right? But then I can move on to February. And then once August comes, we'll start working on August. And my goal is to have it completed sometime in December, so that way I can pay myself to take the time off in the month of December. Okay, so now mind you, this should be a beautiful setup. This is a dashboard, which I did cut down, and this is the back dashboard, which I did cut down as well. Now mind you, if you laminate it, make envelope, it could be such a pretty setup. And I believe on her video she does have it set up like that where you can actually see what it's supposed to look like, but I had to do what works for me. So we did finish January, so I want to mark it off. I like seeing my progress. Yes, that's my plan for this. Now mind you, this $450 is a ton of cash for me. It's a lot of money. And I know there will be times where I can pick up extra shifts. There will be times where I will make a little cash from Etsy or something like that, and I can go ahead and add these savings. Like I did today, I forfeited $5. I should have did one more $5, but you know, I'm going to start where I can. And that's part of the process of budgeting and saving, right? We want to make sure we're making sound decisions for ourselves, that and doing things that make us happy, bring us, you know, spark joy. You know what I mean? We want to make sure we're not overwhelming ourselves, but we're enjoying it. That is the point in the savings challenges. They should not be stressing you. Saving, yes, it is a stressful concept, especially if you have goals. But these savings challenges, you should be having fun. All right, let's see here. We have our Baddie Bankroll yearly savings, well, monthly savings. started today. You guys, I will link her down below so you can check her out. Christmas bingo down below as a freebie. So grab it. Knockout Savings Challenge. This one is linked in our S&C Budget Creations, and I did show you you can make it into a low denomination savings challenge by adding $1 or whatever amount you want. I mean, $2, $5, or just follow it along and save $364. Our letterbox done. So close on those eBucks. And then the Bohemian set, we did our best today on this one. We got some work to do. And then our weekly expenses. Was that everything? We did everything. We're out of cash, so I hope that was everything. I'm very excited to see the progress that is being made. I'm hoping that Knockout will be finished next week. I'm going to keep working on the others savings challenges. I think the Bohemian, I think I'm just going to keep doing this one until it's completed. And the bingo, once that one's completed, not completed, once the end of the month comes, the last Sunday in July comes, I will unstuff that one. It's going into my Christmas binder. I am working on my Freebie Friday, Christmas in July as well. So join me on Fridays for that. Wednesdays, you'll see a Hot Girl Summer collab. That's what I've got going on for the month of July. You guys, thank you so much for coming back again. You guys have been so supportive. That's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.